resolving logistics challenges becomes more and more crucial every day. Over 90% of national and international trade requires smarter decision-making and faster, reliable planning. Our smart and interactive software is the answer. It tackles the complexity by gathering and integrating data from manufacturing, production planning, and logistics to create an overall optimized plan. With our solution, you will reduce planning efforts, increase flexibility in logistics, and lower transportation costs. Gain agility through replanning. Increase your on-time delivery rate, and minimize your carbon footprint. Join us on the path to efficient and sustainable logistics.